Hello, and thank you for your interest in our industry-leading and complete asset tracking system. We're proud to be amongst the first companies to design an easy-to-use, employee-driven, web-based asset tracking solution. Our complete system allows employees, staff members, and designated users to view assets and equipment that are assigned to them individually. They can also request, reserve, and check out items from the organization's own assets. Today we'll discuss the newest addition, the Asset Custody Cards. This feature allows employees, staff members, and designated users control over company assets in their possession and to browse any additional company assets to take possession of. Let's go through some of the shopper or custodian abilities. Users can view a list of assets assigned to them, run a global search for available assets within the organization, flag favorite asset models, request maintenance or repairs for assets they hold custody of, choose the priority of the maintenance ranging from low to critical, choose the maintenance type like repairs for IT items, request calibrations, oil changes for vehicles, and could insert an optional note. Request the disposal or recycling of an asset that is no longer needed and cannot be reused. Request the return of an asset that is no longer needed. Report non-custody assets in case of loss or theft. View historical data of all user activities such as custody requests, dispose, maintenance, and return request histories. On the other hand, the asset tracking system administrators, managers, and folks with the right security clearance have the authority to request items on behalf of their employees, view a department-wide list of assets, transfer assets, approve or deny any custody requests from their employees, schedule, perform, or deny maintenance requests. Further, this powerful feature can be configured to send automated email or text message alerts to notify the employee, his or her manager, and the system administrator of all requests, approvals, and denials. We at ASAP Systems aim to equip customers with the latest innovations and technologies while maintaining ease of use and flexibility. We constantly try to update and add features to accommodate our customers' needs and requirements. Stay tuned to the latest additions by having a more in-depth demonstration.